All right, lovely students, it's Miss Phillip again. We're going to do another division problem. And this time we are going to divide 761 divided by 4. 761 divided by 4. First thing I'm going to do is to put down my acronym. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Repeat. We know that the D stands for the divide, M stands for multiply, S stands for subtract, C stands for check, B stands for bring down, and R stands for repeat. So we're going to get ready to divide. I am going to divide 7 divided by 4, or I could think, how many groups of 4 can I pull out of 7? So I'm going to multiply by 4 until I get to 7. And I'm going to write it on the side. 4 times 1 is 4. Excuse me, I missed one. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2, 2, 4, 6, 8 is 8. And I'm going to stop there. So how many groups of 4 can I pull out of 7? Well, I can't pull 2 groups of 4 out of 7 because 2 groups of 4 is 8. But I can pull 1 group of 4 out of 7. So how many groups of 4 can I pull from 7? I could pull 1. I have just divided. Now I'm ready to multiply. What am I multiplying? What am I multiplying? I'm multiplying 1 times 4. Well, 1 times 4 is 4. I have just multiplied. Now I'm ready to subtract. Well, what am I subtracting? I am subtracting 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. I have just subtracted. Now I'm ready to check. I'm checking to see if my remainder of 3 is smaller than my divisor of 4. 3 is smaller than 4, so that is good. I'm going to put a check by the 3 and a check by C. B stands for bring down. I am going to bring down the 6. Okay. I have just brought that down and put a check by B. R stands for repeat. I am ready to repeat. So now I am going to divide again. I am dividing 36 divided by 4, or I could think, how many groups of 4 can I pull out of 36? I'm going to multiply by 4 until I get to 36, or I pass it. So 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. And 4 times 9 is 36. And I'm going to stop right here. How many groups of 4 can I pull out of 36? I could pull 9 groups of 4 out of 36. My 9 goes at the top. I have just divided. Now I'm ready to multiply. 9 times 4 is 36. And I put my 36 right underneath the 36. I have just multiplied. Now I'm ready to subtract. 36 minus 36 is going to give me 0. I have just subtracted. Now I'm ready to check. I'm checking to see if my remainder of 0 is smaller than my divisor of 4. Well, my remainder is smaller than my divisor, so I'm going to put a check next to 0 and a check next to C. B stands for bring down. I am going to bring down the 1. Now I am ready to repeat. So now I am dividing 4, I'm dividing 1 divided by 4, or I could think how many groups of 4 can I pull out of 1? Well, I would multiply by 4 until I get to 1 or pass it, and I see that up here. So how many groups of 4 can I pull out of 1? Well, I can't pull one group of 4 from the number 1 because one group of 4 is 4. So I could pull 0 groups of 4 out of 1, and I'm going to put that 1 at the top. I have just divided. Now I'm ready to multiply. I am multiplying 0 times 4. Well, 0 times 4 is 0, and I'm going to put that 0 directly underneath my 1. I'm going to check M for multiply. S stands for subtract. What am I subtracting? 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. C stands for check. I am checking to see if my remainder of 1 is smaller than my divisor. My remainder is smaller than my divisor, so I'm going to put a check by the 1 and a check by C. I have nothing to bring down. I have nothing to repeat. So 761 divided by 4 is equal to 190 with a remainder, and I'm going to put the R at the top, with a remainder of 1. I wanted to do a problem like this, guys, where we had a 0. That way, I feel like you guys were struggling with when you had to put a 0 at the top, so I wanted to do one of these problems. Hopefully it helps. Bye, guys.